First, open the system software and ensure the lower left corner is online status. Next, always remember to click Save whenever possible during setup. Set the system parameters first. Host settings. Fill in the total number of your corresponding devices and the total number of partitions supported by all amplifiers, and then check the default. Zone configuration. All options are selected by default. Device configuration. All is selected by default. The detection time settings must correspond to related devices. The default time is 15 minutes per time by default. Default setting. You can modify according to the actual situation. Paging mic settings. Fill in the total number of the corresponding paging mic and fire mic, and then the chime settings are default. Set the zone group of the paging mic to achieve fast one-click paging. First press dip 7. Then see back the software parameters. Select the number of paging mix and then set the partitions of group 1 for one-click paging function 1 by 1. And finally confirm. Demo. Play setting of 6 function keys of fire mic. First select the number of fire mic. Then start from function 1, shortcut key 1, to select the corresponding partition. And sound source. And finally save. Demo. Group setting. A total of 16 groups support the free group settings. Group 1 has all partitions by default. We can set from Group 2. Double-click to open the pop-up window. Click the third one. Then find the corresponding amplifiers and partition and select green. Click the arrow. The right border pops up, indicating that it has been selected. Once you're done, check Sure and finally click Save. Always remember to save any action settings in time to avoid wasting time again. Demo. System equipment status. File transfer, music, alarm, chime, etc. Demo. Timing setting. Fill in the timing name and schedule. Select the audio source, means what music you want to play every day, and select all. Both would be default. Zone selection. To choose the target zones, play modes, and select the music source till the right frame pops up the music name. Finally, check and save. Operation log. Fire alarm. System version. User setting means to add a user management system and increase editable permissions. After setting, be sure to click Save before switching to other software pages.